relation expressions and act according to it. The examples of these robots are Zofia, which is developed by the Handy Robotics Company in Hong Kong, and Webber, which is developed by Soundbank Robotics Company in Japan. Thank you. Our topic is about AI integration. Artificial intelligence is changing the way we learn and teach in field of education. AI is being used to make more personalized education for students. With the help of startups and digital users, students now can learn at their own pace. AI chatbots help students even at school like giving them answers and feedback. AI tools cater students those who have disability or those who find learning difficult. With the help of AI, we can make education more easy and smart for everyone. And learning mindful intelligent learning. Thank you. Excuse me. Here one. Good morning. We are going to explain about chatbot. A chatbot is a software application designed to create conversation with human users, especially over the internet.
It can answer questions, provide information, and also have casual chat with people. A chatbot is a computer program that talks with people using text or voice assistant to understand questions and use smart answers just like humans.
How does a chatbot work?
Chatbot works using two main methods. Rule-based chatbot, which uses pre-written scripts and answer only particular questions. AI-based chatbot, which uses artificial intelligence and machine learning and can understand natural language. So you can choose the question from this.
Or in health. How does AI work in healthcare?
AI in healthcare helps doctors find problems faster by looking at pictures like X-rays. It also helps them create special plans just for you. This technology makes hospital work easier and helps find new medicines quicker.
Hello ma'am. Imagine yourself walking into a shopping mall which already knows your favorite color, size and what you might want next. Sounds magical, right? Yes, this magic is real and it's AI.
Chatbots. Chatbots are a 24/7 virtual shopping assistant. In the world of online shopping, chatbots have become the digital face of customer service. Personalized shopping. AI acts as a personal shopping assistant. Have you ever noticed shopping apps in Amazon or TikTok suggest products that you might like? This is called recommendation system.
AI studies shopping trends, techniques, seasons, customer behavior so that it will get the product more.
We all welcome new products. Our topic is about the combat of nature and technology. In the war between technology and nature, the machine raises and the restart of the life begins. At last, the nature. Technology is taking over and reshaping the natural world. Methods of combining nature and technology. Vertical farming. Growing plants in staggered layers and aquaponics. Growing plants and aquatic plants where the fish nutrients nourishes people.
As nature is the mother of technology, it gave birth to technology as well. As technology rises again and again, it started to deplete nature, which leads to depletion of nature as well. So a solution for this would be combining nature and technology together. This is a small representation of vertical farming, and it is also a method used to combine nature and technology and develop the resources as well.
Good morning, ma'am. Our topic is Bluetooth controlled dabble robot. So, in today's world of technological development, robots are becoming an essential part of automation and innovation. One of the simplest and most exciting applications in which robots are used is the Bluetooth controlled robot. It is controlled using a smartphone or any other Bluetooth enabled devices. So, what is a Bluetooth controlled robot? A Bluetooth controlled robot is a machine with vehicle-like functions which moves in different directions based on the commands received through the Bluetooth. Advantages: it is easy to control using smartphones. No physical wiring between the controller and the robot. It can be expanded using sensors, cameras or AI. Application: it is used in educational projects which is used for learning about robotics, electronics and coding. It is used as surveillance robot. Most importantly, it is used in home automation which is adapted to control home appliances wirelessly.
Your mobile works as a remote controller.
Hello ma'am, our topic is AI in transportation. We are super excited to present you a Everwin into the bus. It's an innovation where AI meets transportation and safety meets intelligence. We created this smart bus prototype which on detecting an obstacle, it stops automatically and avoids collision. It is built by brains, backed by sensors and driven for absolute purpose. This sensor has a radius of 10 to 15 cm. On detecting an object, it stops with a maximum of 3 seconds. It is specially designed to be fitted in school buses to prevent accidents and collisions.
The ultrasonic sensors present in the bus release infrared rays which upon hitting an object reflect back. These reflected rays help in obstacle detection.
Our goal is to show how young minds can create intelligent models that enhance the world's safety. We as future innovators believe that technology isn't only about missions, but it is about making our life better.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, ma'am.
Today we are going to talk about AI can predict human emotion through voice or face.
Let's get into the session.
Imagine this, you speak a single sentence without telling how you feel, I know it.
Today we are going to play a game where you become the human and we become the AI.
Now let me tell you the rules. You have to tell it in a short sentence. You must tell it in a clear expression or clear tone. I try to guess the emotion. Let's start the activity. You have to tell a sentence.
Tell the sentence.
Emotion.
Tell the sentence have the card. About what the emotion?
Any sentence will predict the emotion.
I'm very excited for this.
You don't like it.
Like with words I have to say.
Yeah.
Angry.
You will be saying a sentence and we'll try to guess it. It should not be direct one.
Oh. In sense for this, can you give me an example?
I'm going here now.
Oh.
Like we are excited.
You're done well. You're done well.
You are very happy and satisfied.
Biology department.
Of class 11 design about best science baseball. I hope you like it and good morning, ma'am.
When science plays God, we are going to explain about grafting breakers or non-static plants. These are genetically modified plants which are made for human benefit. BT stands for Bacillus thuringiensis. These are inserted into foreign plants to make them resistant to certain insects, especially foreign pests. Vendors are involved in producing BT pollen. This by using agrobacterium. This bacterium infects the plant and it has few human-inducing plasmids. The idea is plasmid and we cut the plasmid with the help of prescription endonucleotide. Then we cut the genes and into the help of nucleic extract. Gene cut.
These tissues are taken from the plant enzymes and cultured through tissue media, and this tissue media is transferred into root editing media and chicken tissue media and subculture to increase the production of milk.
So sometimes it's all kind of application. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Here we have to explain to you about blood scar analysis. It is a scientific examination of shape, size, and distribution of blood patterns.
There are three types of blood patterns. Passive transfer of the blood. There is transfer as in a blood-bearing object for Kolathur with a non-blood-bearing object, and passive means happened by gravitational. Yes. And projected means an arterial starting or task of buttons. It's usually very high velocity. So I conclude that it's okay to have
Thank you.
Warm greetings, ma'am. When science plays God. Imagine a world where every crime tells a story, not just of violence, but physiology, society, and secret. Welcome to the world of criminology, the science behind the science. We don't just say who did it. We ask how does this happen, how investigators uncover the truth, what makes it criminal and pleasure. Our project dive deep into the dark corners of society to reveal how criminal science keep in order with the world. To say that criminology is connected with science, two questions pop up. Is criminology a science? What does this mean?
Genetic identification, particularly DNA profiling, has become an indispensable tool in criminology, significantly impacting in criminal investigation and forensic science. It involves comparing DNA profile that has been extracted from the crime scene evidence with those of the suspects or from DNA databases to establish connections and identify perpetrators.
And I'm going to say about a case which was solved using a DNA, the Vidhyashram case, a brutal assault on a young woman inside a moving bus shocked the nation. The police used CCTV, mobile footages and forensic DNA to arrest the criminals. The criminals were sentenced to death. This shows how science plus fast investigation can bring a justice in modern India.
So RGS carries stories and crimes right chapters. We don't always expect, so sometimes okay to out with the nature.
Thank you, ma'am.
A warm welcome, ma'am. When science plays God, it does not only create life, it also uncovers the hidden truth. Genetic mind mapping is the process of predicting a person's physical appearance based on a DNA. An investigators collect a DNA sample from a crime scene. Forensic scientists analyze specific genetic markers linked to their specific traits. While powerful, this system must use carefully non-collaboration bias and privacy obligations.
So when nature hides the truth, the science steps in.
Because sometimes it's alright out with nature. Thank you, ma'am.
where science plays God. Welcome to the incredible science of de-extinction technology using CRISPR-Cas9. CRISPR-Cas9 is evolutionary gene editing tool. It acts like the magical scissor.
The guide RNA will find the targeted gene. The Cas9 enzyme will cut at the targeted gene. The cell sees the break and fix it.
We also cure many more diseases including HIV.
And last but not the least,
If you hear a mammoth trumpet outside,
don't scream,
just
say, welcome back.
the past is reviving. This is the brain, ma'am. This baby is affected by anemia, ma'am. And the reason behind that is there is a bad DNA sequence. Now we can
Reproduction.
Yes, ma'am. Now the reason is like the aim is we will fix the correct DNA here so that the baby's disease will be cured. You can try
See the color. See the color.
and just give it a try.
Yes, here you can.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second in time. Yeah, ma'am, it's like have a great day, ma'am.
When science plays God.
It does to cross the boundaries of nature. The superheroes are not born in cutting laboratories.
So welcome to our topic behind the dress of superheroes. Have you ever wondered what it would take a human to turn into like superheroes like Batman or Spider-Man? Yes, our topic dives deep into the science of genetical engineering, etc. and etc. Here we will see how we will extract genes from spiders and we will infuse them into humans. So humans can climb on special proteins and manufacturing the muscle fibers, reproduction using a biosynthetic technology. Humans can encode by using neuroenhancement. Thank you.
So here we are presenting the phylogenetics. Phylogenetics means relating common ancestors of modern animals.
The first branch shows the modern cryptids we see today, like lizards, snakes, etc. The second branch shows the dinosaurs. The third branch shows the marine reptiles like Mosasaurus and Megalodons. Each branch of this tree tells a story of Earth, showing how species adapt, change, or bend.
So as you can see in this second branch, T-Rex, Omniphosaurus, Carnosaurus, we included all these in this additional chapter. So you will give you the spoons and you can pick this up, and if you find any dinosaur you find, we'll give you chocolates. Specifically, like a child. And specifically, if you find the Mesoica or the baby cat, we'll give you we'll give you 2 to 3 chocolates because these are like rares. And one fun fact about Mesoica, it's actually called Nijasaurus. It has up to 500 plus slender teeth and could potentially have up to 500 plus kicks too. So please will this. Please try. Yeah. Please try. Any time. Okay, so this is a Cambosaurus.
Good morning. When science plays God. Today we are going to be talking about the science. We create our own babies.
First time I'm here.
Babies like genes are intentionally edited for birth to improve traits and to remove diseases. How are design a baby's made? It is made in a lab using the tool called CRISPR-Cas9. Now let's see what we can choose or edit in a baby.
Let's see what we can choose or edit in a baby. First, the gender of the baby using PGD. And the second is eye color we can edit. And third is we can yes. And I can also cure diseases like cancer. Now let's see what are the good sides and bad sides.
Good size is normal that have badly, it won't be passed. Bad size, water only, the rich people can afford to do it. It can change humanity too fast. Let's see some scientific real facts. They are trying to
Thank you so much.
Science is real science. All science is going to distribute as a naturally produced
protein and known as which is pre-fluorescent. This protein absorbs the external light such as UV light or sunlight and reemits as light which is the glowing. This phenomenon basically bioluminescence, fluorescence, acid being etc. So after inserting the GFP gene to the plant, this plant is later growing mutated in the So when they regenerate, each cell of the plant carries the protein. When exposed to UV light or blue light, they also show similar glowing similar to the modify RNA.
When science plays God. A biohybrid bird is a robotic bird made using both biological and technological components. It uses real muscle cells to make movements like a living creature and carry out smart systems.
This is our model where camera is fixed below the beak. When switched on, it starts capturing the light. This script shows how a bird like this can be used for forest surveillance, silently monitoring the animals, people and photos without disturbing it. They are even better than drones.
Stay tuned. Biohybrid birds are on the way, and sometimes it's okay to outlive nature.
Good morning. Good morning. When science plays God. Myself, Kanishka. Kanasha. Namrita. So, rhythm of life. Our heart has an electrical system, not which beats normally, but due to abnormal condition, it won't beat normally, which gives you heart attacks. So, for this, we use ICD to send the electrical signal to the heart to bring it back to normal.
So, ICD is used to regulate the cellular science heart attack or inherited heart rhythm disorders. Generally, for 6 weeks after getting an instead you can't do your normal activities. So, you will take extra care of your arms and shoulders, and also you can't drive or ride your vehicles properly. So, you have to carry a ICD or ID card for any emergency. So, when the heart is beating abnormally, the ICD sends an electric impulse. So, ma'am, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered why do we age? Yes, ma'am. So, our chromosomes have telomeres, which are cap-shaped structures made of repeating DNA sequences, and these shorten every time the cell divides, and this leads to aging and death. This is where telomere lengthening kicks in. It provides exciting possibilities in slowing aging, delaying death, and potentially providing immortality. But it also has a bad side, right? So it also provides deep scientific challenges, ethical and social challenges too. So I conclude that sometimes it's alright to outwit nature. Thank you.
When science plays God.
Good morning. So look at our display, which is divided into two halves. On left side of our display, you see a baby in the uterus facing a difficult challenge, a disease.
On right side, you can see a baby is healthy and being grown by genetic care. Now you can see the baby is strong and healthy. This shows that as it is at home.
So this is not just a concept in science fiction.
Advancing field as equals of race.
So today we will explain DNA extension.
It's nothing but bringing back of extant species using DNA. So let us see some examples.
Okay, examples are greyhound, canary mammoth, and passenger camel.
Now these bring our class performance by giving us stars.
I'm giving 5 stars.
And creative concepts.
Thank you. What if I tell you when science plays God, the blueprint of life becomes editable? Because Home 2.0 being a boon enables even a man to give birth to new life.
The whole age of artificial room lies in the significant fact that it does not involve or cause any harm to the body. It simply means no surrogacy, no adoption, no infertility issues, or even no maternal or paternal pregnancy. So, with this provocational concept in front of you, we can conclude that all right to outwit nature. Thank you.
What's the share minds? What if it was generally like a movie? What if it had a really surprise moment? When science plays God, it is possible.
Welcome to Genetically, the science with imagination. This futuristic project helps us to explore the real-world possibilities by transferring memories between humans, inspired by AI and new plans.
Computing memory speed learning skills, potentially is very powerful. It's also learning questions like
In digital memory, send one or live forever in someone's mind.
neural network isn't just an idea, it's a mirror of holistic reality.
So sometimes it's already out of date.
Well done, children.
Yes.
You came here. You should call us, no?
Good morning, ma'am. When science meets God in genetics, so here I will explain how a virus is genetically modified into different variants such as alpha, beta, gamma, delta, and omicron. Genetic factors contribute to various symptoms, mutation rate, recombination, and such.